Over the next few minutes, I am going to show you how to make a quick and easy profit on every deal and simultaneously provide your customers with the best protection against out-of-pocket expenses on one of the most common insurance claims. Is it magic? Hardly. It's the Theft Protection Membership Program from AutoShield Canada. Vehicle theft is a big problem, and no vehicle is truly safe. Over 80,000 vehicles are stolen each year in Canada. If you or someone you know has been a victim of a vehicle theft, then you know firsthand the kind of expenses that can pile up. In the case of an unrecovered vehicle, program members are eligible for up to $5,000 towards the purchase of a replacement vehicle in your store. You can believe this goes a long way for customer retention. If their vehicle is recovered, members are eligible up to $1,000 towards their primary insurance deductible. While we can't promise your customer's vehicle will never be stolen, we can guarantee to ease the hardship involved. Our Theft Protection Membership Program also includes rental coverage to keep customers going and accommodations if they happen to be out on the road. We even cover one-way airfare if required. You can breathe easy knowing you have provided your customers with the best available coverage in the business. Now that your customers are covered, let's take a look at the benefits for you. One of the more difficult parts of a deal is presenting your buyer with a doc fee. Your customer wants to pay the least amount possible, and a doc fee does nothing for them. Here is where Theft Protection goes to work for you. Our membership program is a low-cost lot pack program that you can roll into your doc fee, providing instant value for your customers on every deal while also earning extra profit. Value packages create happy customers. Include theft protection, parts and accessories, and oil changes into your doc fee to add value to the purchase and keep your customers coming back time and time again. We currently have dealers earning upwards of $25,000 a month on this program alone, and we'd like to help you do the same. Ask your dealer development sales representative how they can help customize a package just for you. Contact us today. Protection, profit, partnership. Driven by your warranty team.